Teresa here from Pure Luxe Face and Body. Hello everyone, how are you? Teresa here from Pure Luxe Face and Body, where we create superfood skincare to help you show the world a better version of yourself. So really quick, in about under 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can create customized labels using the online Maestro Label Designer and the Template Designer to create custom labels that truly will reflect your brand. So right now I have got pulled up on onlinelabels.com is the Maestro Label Designer. You will receive a code, an activation code, when you receive your labels, and you type that code in and it automatically gives you access to all of the labels that you have purchased. So here I'm just showing you the 2x2 just for the sake of time, but you can access any label. You would get a keyword search. Let's just do a new label. And no, I'm not going to save this design because I really just want you to see really quick. So these are all of the designs that I have recently purchased. Once you start purchasing labels, it'll keep track of everything for you. So I'm going to select the 2x2 design. I'm going to keep it, and then I'm going to start my design. Now I can rotate this in the views. Let's say you have a vertical and you want it to be horizontal. You can actually rotate the view of the label if you need it to fit your file, your label. And then you have various tools where you can do mail merge, barcode generators, and nutrition labels. So I have a 2x2 because I know this particular label works across several products in my product line. If you are a new entrepreneur, I would suggest that you buy 1 or 2 sheets. You can buy as few as 1 sheet of labels, and make sure that that is actually what you want for the label you actually want for your product. There is nothing worse than being stuck with a bunch of labels that you can't use. So just buy 1 or 2 sheets of various sizes, try them out, and then once you've got it to what you want, then go ahead and order in bulk. So then you can come over to template.com and you can actually design your own label. You can add text, you can change your background, you can do all of these things. Now, I ordered labels from an Etsy seller, and she actually gave me access to this, and these are the top labels that she designed, and I just simply modified them as I went along to create labels that reflect my brand. I was able to upload my own logo, and there we have the one that I'm going to show you. So this is on a 2x2 label. It has everything that I want, and I literally created it here. And then I went back over to Maestro Label Designer. I downloaded it, and there we see it. Again, this will keep track of everything for you. I just simply select it, and then I can pop that completed label without having to do not one lick of editing over to this 2x2 label. And of course, you want to center it. You want to make sure that it is the way you want it. After you have it the way you want it, you're going to do print. You're going to do print now or start an order if you want them to print it for you. And I always recommend that you open it directly in the browser so that you can see what it's going to look like. And here we have, as soon as it decides to load, here we have what those labels are going to look like fully printed on that sheet. And that way I know that they're going to come out okay. So I hope this was helpful to you. Please make sure to subscribe and to click that notification button so that you will know when I upload new videos. Again, my purpose is to not only just help out another person, but to share tips and tricks along the way that I have figured out in this skincare game. So again, my name is Teresa Williams. You can find me on Instagram at Teresa_Pure Luxe Face and Body. And you can also find me on TikTok and of course here on YouTube. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful evening.